Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into two popular products designed for pain relief and improved circulation: the LINGTENG Leg Massager and the Medcursor Foot Massager. Both products promise to alleviate discomfort and enhance relaxation, but which one truly delivers? Let's explore their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the LINGTENG Leg Massager is priced at $55, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking to enhance their leg care routine. On the other hand, the Medcursor Foot Massager is priced at $69, which may be a consideration for buyers looking for additional features or a more comprehensive massage experience. Let's see if the price difference reflects in their performance. In terms of features, the LINGTENG Leg Massager offers 3 intensities and modes, allowing users to customize their massage experience. It also includes heat functionality, which can enhance relaxation and muscle recovery. Meanwhile, the Medcursor Foot Massager boasts deep kneading and shiatsu capabilities, targeting tired feet effectively. Both products have unique features that cater to different preferences and needs. The LINGTENG Leg Massager is specifically designed for the legs and calves, making it ideal for individuals looking to relieve tension in those areas. In contrast, the Medcursor Foot Massager is tailored for foot relief, particularly beneficial for conditions like plantar fasciitis. Depending on your needs, one product may be more suitable than the other. In conclusion, both the LINGTENG Leg Massager and the Medcursor Foot Massager offer unique benefits for pain relief and relaxation. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether you require targeted relief for your legs or a comprehensive foot massage experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.